Right. You can stand with me if you want.
I'm looking for
Here we are at Labrador Bay. We've picked a fantastic day for bird watching today. As you can see behind me, believe it or not, there's the beautiful vista. There's the ocean and everything. Oh, it's really nice, and this is like a little bit of a green valley where there's woodpeckers, and we're hoping to see the woodpeckers. Can't see 20 metres in front of you, but it doesn't matter. We're here and we're not seeing anything. But I'm recording this vlog to show you the dedication, i.e. stupidity, of bird watching in this. But to be truthful, we was waiting to see, or waiting, hoping. Put the microphone in. We was hoping that this fog would actually lift. And sometimes it does, doesn't it? You get below the fog line and you find, but we've been down the hill and hey presto, voila, nothing. It's like a magician doing a trick, isn't it? And pulling nothing out of the hat. Well, that's bird watching today. But we're having fun, aren't we, love? She's got the 8x40s out, you know, and she's looking for the green woodpecker. But it's not just that, there's curl buntings and there's yellow hammers here somewhere. What can you do? We just picked the wrong day, I suppose. But yeah, Labrador Bay, I recommend you come here. There's a car park at the top. You have £1.80 for the day, something like that, and you just walk around. There's not really any facilities here. There's a few his and her bushes, if you know what I mean, dotted along the line. But yeah, beautiful normally. What more can I say? So I'm just going to walk along the hedgerow now. And really, if I'm lucky, I'll get a bird close enough to get a misty shot. I'm going to call it a misty pose. You never know, it might just turn out right. Well, this is what we do. Julie's walking off now. She's literally about 15 metres in front of her. And it's starting to look like a horror film, like something coming out of the fog. I better keep my eye on her. So, wish me luck, and we'll see what we get. If I don't get anything, you'll see us on another day. See you later. Here in the Amazonian rainforest, we are looking for the fabled green woodpecker. Julie has got her 8x40s out and is looking for this timid, scarce little creature. We cannot see 20 metres in front of our eyes, but we are still looking. I know what you're thinking, and you'd probably be right. Why? Why? I'll try and step to the side here, but I know I wasn't going to say anything more today. Wife is 10 metres away. Because of the wide angle lens, it makes it look like she's further away, but she isn't. I can hardly see her, but we're still bird watching, and this is the excitement we get. Sorry, see something flittering tree, probably a leaf, I don't know, but this is it. But we're going to give up now because new key, Cornwall has had severe weather warnings, so we think we better just get going now and to see what tomorrow brings, because you never know, do you? You never know. So we'll do some more clips later on, but it won't be of today. Take care. Oh, she's gone. That means I'm gone. Julie.
I'm only joking. I sound like feel awful now.
Aye.
Saying that to him.
That's a bit mean.
I know. Oh,
Shouting Yorkshire puds out.
I know. Oh, I do feel a bit mean there now.
So you should.
I'm sorry.
Good job they can't speak English.
I know. I understand what I'm saying. That would look good with a Sunday dinner.
Mm.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm joking. I mean, I'm not, but I am.